In this video, I'm going to show you how to use grids in Adobe Express. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left here, you want to click on Add Element, and then you want to click on Charts and Grids. Here, it's going to pop up your grids. Now by default, you're going to see it like that. You want to go to View All down here, or click on the grids up top. And as you can see here, you have your grids. There's 40 right now. They may be more or less whenever you're checking this out. So you just have to pick the one you want to use. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to go with this one. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to pop up on here. Now, of course, you can edit this and modify it. You can click on it. You can, of course, make it like bigger or smaller. You can make it taller or wider. It's completely up to you. And then you can also change its size like this and move it around. Then over here on the left, you can go and select the padding you want to use, so we can have a lot or minimal padding. And you could also go and select the spacing between these images inside your grid. Then, of course, this one over here is going to set your background. If I click on background, I can go and pick, for example, blue, and there we go. I'm going to get a blue background, okay? Just like that. Now I'm going to keep it like this by default, so it's going to be like no fill. And then from here again, you have the opacity and then position as well on your screen. Now to actually use these, it's super easy. You can go to the over here to the left, and you can add any media, images, or stuff like that on here. So if I go to my stuff here, and if I find my uploads, I'm just going to drag and drop some images in here. So I'm going to click and drag. You can see it's going to kind of pop up this image, which is like the switch image. So just basically release it, and there we go. The images are going to get replaced for you just like this. And of course, you've kind of made a grid with this, okay? Which is quite convenient. Then you can also click on it and click on Set Background, and it's going to set that specific grid as your background, of course, on your creation canvas over here. So that's how to use grids. It's super easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.